Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable with numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of consuming spinach. 1. Rich in nutrients. Vitamins. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins like vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health, vitamin A, crucial for eye health, vitamin C, boosts immunity, and folate, supports cell function and tissue growth. Minerals. It contains essential minerals such as iron, helps in the formation of red blood cells, magnesium, supports muscle and nerve function, and calcium, important for bone health. 2. High in antioxidants. Spinach is rich in powerful antioxidants, such as lutein, beta-carotene, and zeaxanthin, which help reduce oxidative stress and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 3. Supports eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin, both found in spinach, are important for eye health. They help protect the eyes from harmful UV light and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. 4. Promotes heart health. Spinach is high in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in spinach also contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and cholesterol levels. 5. Boosts bone health. The high vitamin K content in spinach is essential for bone mineralization and maintaining bone strength. Vitamin K helps improve calcium absorption and reduce calcium loss through urine, supporting bone density. 6. Aids in digestion. Spinach contains dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by preventing constipation, promoting regular bowel movements, and supporting gut health. 7. Helps in blood sugar management. The fiber content in spinach can slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 8. Supports weight management. Low in calories and high in nutrients, spinach is an ideal food for weight management. Its fiber content promotes satiety, making you feel full for longer periods. 9. Boosts immunity. The combination of vitamins A, C, and E in spinach helps strengthen the immune system, making it easier for the body to fight off infections. 10. Anti-inflammatory properties. Spinach contains compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids, which have anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases like arthritis. Incorporating spinach into your diet regularly can provide significant health benefits and support overall well-being.